5 local people were already planning a medical mission to Haiti when the earthquake struck. They are volunteers with a Rochester-based group called InterVol. Now, they're still planning to leave at the end of the month, but this earthquake has changed what they'll be doing and the patients that they'll treat.
Anywhere from people that have been severely injured to God knows what you'd find. But I think that you're going to basically be working in a similar situation like a MASH unit, where you're just triaging and taking care of patients and taking care of your more severe patients first, and then it's a trickle down after that.
Now, this is InterVol's warehouse, which is filled with medical supplies. They do need help boxing up the supplies and then shipping them to Haiti. They could also use monetary donations. We do have a web link to InterVol at WHEC.com. When you see those images, you can't help but think, how can I help?
Now, we want to tell you about a doctor from Rochester General who has already left to help victims in Haiti. And Brett Stagnetti joins us now and spoke with colleagues at RGH about more relief efforts that are coming out of Rochester. Brett?
Yeah, Rich, the doctor is the chief surgeon at Rochester General, Dr. Ralph Dorr. He's one of 300 U.S. doctors called to Haiti by the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services to be part of that first wave of relief workers. Dr. Dorr has volunteered his time in the past to give medical help in times of natural disasters. Today at Rochester General, I spoke with Dorr's colleagues, and they say it's a natural reaction for doctors and nurses to jump in and help at times like these. They say the medical community does some of its best work in times of disaster.
Dr. Dorr is a good example of that. In a moment's notice, he is out of here. We will certainly backfill for him, and we've done it before. But there are other personnel here who are ready and willing to go.
And a program at Rochester General continues to prepare a huge shipment of everything from bandages to stretchers and other equipment.
Right now, we're ready to put together a container of those precious medical supplies that they need down there and ship it to Haiti.
The program at Rochester General is called InterVol, and they're looking for volunteers to help pack that huge trailer that will be sent to Haiti, and they need monetary donations as well to pay for the shipping costs. It's going to cost around $10,000 to send that trailer. For more information, you can log on to our website, WHEC.com, and click on web links. Rich?
And Brett, when you're talking to RGH staff members, what do they say about getting those services, those supplies, I should say, into service?
Well, they quite simply say that those supplies are going to go into making makeshift hospitals wherever they are needed in Haiti, and things like stretchers and other durable equipment is going to be essential to those efforts as they get right on the ground and get moving with them.
All right, Brett Stagnetti in the newsroom tonight. Thanks, Brett. Jen?
The largest winemaker in the world, Constellation Brands, based in Victor, is donating 2 of its corporate jets to fly medical supplies to Haiti. With the help of Rochester General Hospital and its program InterVol, Constellation will fly the goods to Haiti Thursday morning. Volunteers are packing them up today, all from a warehouse in Rochester. Splints, ace bandages, everything. It's where we spoke with Rochester physician Ralph Panino, the founder of InterVol.
This stuff will save some lives. It may be a drop compared to what is needed, but those drops add up to a pail of water, and this is going to be an ongoing effort. It's not only going to be the supplies now, but we're going to continue this for months to come with the people on the ground who are working with other aid agencies.
Most of the supplies you saw there come from local doctors' offices and hospitals. Want to know more about InterVol? We have a web link for you on our website. WHEC. Baby formula, medical supplies, and manpower. All the work of local groups and businesses pulling together to help the earthquake victims in Haiti. It was 1 week ago the world learned about the earthquake there, really about a week ago this time. Really, we were beginning to hear about this. Good evening. I'm Jennifer Johnson in for Rich Funke.
I'm Janet Lomax. The Rochester community is not stopping when it comes to providing support. The largest winemaker in the world, Constellation Brands, based in Victor, is now donating 2 of its corporate jets to fly all those supplies that you just saw to Haiti. Berkeley Breen has more on the relief effort tonight. He joins us live from a warehouse. It's on North Clinton Avenue. You're in the middle of all those supplies?
All these supplies, Janet, and more of them are coming in. Since the last time we talked, more volunteers have shown up. All of these boxes here full of medical supplies and many of these boxes, as many as they can, are heading down to Haiti to help the people up there. And here's some of the work that's going on right now. We'll show you people packing these boxes labeled Haiti, and these are things like bandages, Tylenol, things to make casts with, and splints to help the people down there who have virtually none of this. And the way they're getting down there is thanks to the generosity of Constellation Brands, and we're here with Robert Sands, the president and CEO of Constellation. Tell me what it is you're doing and why you decided to do it.
Well, we're providing transportation via our corporate aircraft for a team of docs and nurses and medical supplies to go down to Haiti to help the relief effort. And, we were looking for a way that we could most directly have a positive impact on the relief efforts down there. So we thought that this would be a great way that we at Constellation could contribute to what's going on and the terrible disaster in Haiti.
All right, Robert, thank you very much.
Thanks.
And good luck. So 2 planes, the 2 corporate jets from Constellation Brands, going to take a lot of these supplies, fly them down to Haiti. They actually have to land in the Dominican, then put those boxes onto 2 Army helicopters, then they'll ferry them into Haiti. That's how busy the airport is in Port-au-Prince. Janet?
All right, thanks. Berkeley Breen reporting live from North Clinton Avenue. We will stay on top of this story. Our coverage of the earthquake in Haiti continues.
In just a matter of days, goods will be in the hands of people in Haiti. These goods, how they're getting there is another example of Rochester generosity. Berkeley Breen explains next at 6.
It was 1 week ago that the world learned about the devastating earthquake in Haiti. The Rochester community is not stopping when it comes to providing support. These supplies will be flown out in just a matter of days, and they are being transported courtesy of Constellation Brands based in Victor. Good evening, I'm Janet Lomax.
And I'm Jennifer Johnson in for Rich Funky, the largest winemaker in the world. Constellation Brands donating 2 of its corporate jets to fly all those supplies you just saw to Haiti. We broke this story on our website late this afternoon. Berkeley Breen is live at the warehouse where workers are packing it all up. Berkeley.
Jennifer, an amazing amount of supplies here, and you can see behind me the boxes and boxes of medical supplies that have been donated by local doctors' offices, specifically orthopedic offices. We're talking about basic stuff here, like bandages, stuff for splints, casting powder so that they can make casts for those people in Haiti. Let's take you a little bit this way, and here's an example of these volunteers that are putting these boxes together. So they're trying to make sure that the material in these boxes is what's supposed to be in there. And these boxes right now, and the medical supplies going into them, will be really in the hands of doctors and nurses in Haiti in a matter of a couple of days. And all of this is as the result of the work of Dr. Ralph Panino, who started the organization InterVol, which is organizing this along with Rochester General Hospital and Constellation. So, Doctor, thanks for joining us. First of all, the medical supplies here that are getting boxed, what are they going to do? What function will they have in Haiti?
We're trying to put together supplies that they need right now. We're in contact with our folks on the ground down there, and they need basic things. As you were mentioning, they need splints, they need bandages, first aid. We're also putting together medicines that we've gotten donated, such as antibiotics, analgesics. People have bad fractures, in a lot of pain. There's absolutely no medicines. They've depleted everything where we're going.
And you're focused on a specific area. Everybody talks about Port-au-Prince, right, but there are areas that virtually have nothing. Worse.
Right. Per capita or per unit mile, or even worse. Leogan is an area that we've been working in. We actually had a volunteer down there at the time of the quake working with the Notre Dame Haiti program. That city is 80% down. The first relief did not hit there until yesterday. Actually, our volunteer before he got out was in Leogan. They have at least 10,000 dead. They have they're out of water, they're out of food, and obviously no medical supplies. So the shipment we're putting together is going to be the basic medical supplies, like first aid kits and splints. We're also bringing in water purification systems, these portable backpack things.
Okay. Well, that's good work, yep, and good luck.
Thank you.
And we should mention, Jen, that these supplies will get down into Haiti because Constellation Brands, largest winemaker in the world based in Victor, is donating 2 of their corporate jets. They're They're going to try to get as many of these boxes on there. They say they can fit about 90 wine boxes on their planes. So basically 90 boxes of badly needed medical supplies down there.
Talking about those supplies, people who maybe work at a doctor's office might be saying, I want to donate to InterVol. How can I do that?
Well, a lot of doctors' offices are probably very familiar with InterVol, but they can reach them on the web, and they can call and offer to donate their supplies. The volunteer who runs that, I just talked to her. She says she answers their calls every day. There was 37 calls to that line today, so they can certainly call that and offer their goods. We should say that they're trying to get these boxes into Haiti by Thursday morning, which means they're probably going to leave very early Thursday morning from Rochester Airport.
Some good information there. Berkeley Breen reporting live from North Clinton Avenue. Thank you very much.
2 corporate jets donated by Constellation Brands in Victor are expected to take off tomorrow morning to bring a ton of supplies to Haiti. Doctors and volunteers from InterVol will also be on board. They will be delivering baby formula, surgical gloves, bandages, all donated by local doctors' offices. Blue Cross Blue Shield helped beef up the supplies today with a big donation, and a local engineer. He will be flying to Haiti to check on the safety of buildings there.
Now, 2 corporate jets donated by local company Constellation Brands are expected to take off in just about an hour to bring a ton of supplies to Haiti. Doctors and volunteers with a local company called InterVol will also be on board. Now, they'll be delivering baby formula, surgical gloves, bandages, all donated by local doctors' offices. Now, coming up at 5:30, Christine Van Timmeren will be live with those doctors and volunteers as they get ready for their trip to Haiti.